Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not showing on Windows 11 or 10. If you find this guide useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. The first step is to open the Windows search engine and search for Device Manager. Here, we will see that Bluetooth does not appear. There is a solution for this, and it is very simple. Click on the search engine and go to Settings. Here, we will look for Windows Update Settings and go to View Optional Updates. And here, there should be an option about Bluetooth. Just click on it and the problem will be solved. In case it doesn't appear, click on Check for Updates. And after that, restart the PC. That's all. If the tutorial helped you, leave me a like. If not, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.